What is up everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. This one is Redmi K30 Ultra and I also have Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. I will do another video. Anyway, I don't want to give a lot of introduction because I believe you already know about this smartphone. So let's go ahead, let's do the unboxing, and after the unboxing I will run Antutu benchmark side by side with Redmi K30 Ultra and Redmi K30 Pro. I have already uploaded Redmi K30 Ultra and Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra camera comparison video, so you should also check that one. If you still don't know yet, then yes, this one comes with MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus 1000 plus, yeah, 1000 plus, that chipset. This one doesn't have a 3.5mm port, and other than that almost everything is similar to Redmi K30 Pro. Okay, let's start our unboxing, but if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. The moment you open the box, you see a message or a quote. Always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. Yeah, this is new from Xiaomi. Anyway, I always try to buy the base variant because I want to check the value for money, and this time I bought the 6GB RAM and 128GB variant. Yeah, inside the box there is another box as usual, and when you open that box, the first thing you will notice is a SIM ejector tool. There are also some warranty papers and user manuals, but the next thing is really nice. As this smartphone doesn't come with a 3.5mm port, Redmi has included a USB-C to 3.5mm dongle. That is really helpful. This one also comes with a clear case. Yeah, this protective case is a hard shell clear case, and Xiaomi and Redmi claims that this one can kill germs. So that is really better. I mean, that's like icing on top of cake. Okay, this one is our Redmi K30 Ultra, and I was really confused where to put the smartphone. Now let's check what else we have inside the box. There is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This one is the same thing that I've been getting for half a year or almost 1 year. I think Xiaomi manufactured like millions of these and put this in the box of all the smartphones. Okay, this one comes with a 33-watt charger. Yeah, this is better than Redmi K30 Pro because Redmi K30 Pro comes with a 30-watt charger. So this one is slightly faster, 10% faster than Redmi K30 Pro. Okay, let's put everything aside and it's time to unwrap our Redmi K30 Ultra. And you can see even on the wrapper, it says 10th anniversary, on top it's 2010 and at the bottom it's 2020. Okay, let's unwrap our Redmi K30 Ultra. I think I should get my Redmi K30 Pro. Yeah, in hand feelings is the same. Both feels the same and I don't see any difference. Outlook, in hand feelings, everything is almost similar, but there are some differences. The first thing you will notice, the first difference is that 3.5mm port, and yeah, a lot of people are gonna miss that. What I miss most is, as I don't use 3.5mm port, I miss that red accent on the power button. I kind of really like it. At the bottom everything is similar, but Redmi K30 Ultra comes with stereo speaker setup, so there is another difference. Speaker cutout on top is a little bigger. Redmi K30 Ultra comes with a bigger speaker cutout on top because this one works as a part of stereo speaker setup, so it's a little bigger. I think you are waiting for benchmarks, right? Let us run Antutu benchmark straightforward. You can see on the left it's Redmi K30 Ultra and on the right it's Redmi K30 Pro. And you can see Redmi K30 Ultra runs a little hot. It's always above 40 degrees Celsius, around 45 degrees Celsius. Most of the time there is about 10 degrees Celsius difference between Redmi K30 Ultra and Redmi K30 Pro. Let's run Antutu benchmark and check what type of score this one can get. I personally don't like Antutu benchmark, but I know most of the people like Antutu benchmark. And yeah, here is the score. Redmi K30 Ultra got 482,551. Redmi K30 Pro got 586,444. When you check the GPU score, nothing very drastic. Also, user experience scores are almost same. Even Redmi K30 Ultra got better user experience score. And yeah, the difference is actually in CPU score. Anyway, I'm going to do a lot of reviews, a lot of tests and a lot of videos. So if you have liked this video, and if you wanna watch more, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel.